All right, so next is collaboration. Collaboration isn't super new, but it is extremely important, I think, for a lot of businesses to utilize. So, what collaboration is, it allows you to co-author a post with another user. So, with that being said, now uh, instead of tagging another user or another account, you can now co-author those posts so that they show up in each of your profiles. So that post will now appear in their profile and it'll appear in your profile. So you'll see the combined likes, you'll see the combined comments. And what this allows you to do is it really helps you expand your reach and to obviously gain potential followers from that, from the other person's or accounts followers, because now they're getting exposed to who you are, and it helps to increase engagement. So obviously, more likes, more comments, more shares from what you're doing by co-authoring, collaborating with another account. So as you can see in the right screenshot, at the very top, it says um, the first user's tag and it says and the other user's tag. That's how you know that a post has been used in form of collaboration. And in order to get there, what you'll want to do is when you go to a post and you're ready to, publish that post, before you do that on the previous screen, you'll see something where it says tag people. So as you can see at the very top of the screenshot on the left, has the ability, that's where it's found. So it is a little tricky to find it if you aren't too familiar with it, but it is under tag. And then once you go under tag at the very top, it'll say invite collaborators. So you will need to invite that other person. So you can't just freely collaborate with, a random account. The other person will need to accept that collaboration from you. So if you're, working with another business, in instances that we use on our end for some of our clients is, as movers, we like to collaborate with some content creators. So with that being the case, if a content creator has agreed to use your service or platform, they can then share your product or service and make a video about your product or service, and then they can collaborate with you. So that way, it'll help you, again, as we already talked about, gain followers, expand your reach, increase engagement. It's just a great tool that you want to start utilizing if you haven't. And if you have, great. I definitely can encourage you to continue using it because it's a fantastic tool.